A very good morning to all my lovely children. I hope you all are taking care of yourself. So, dear children, today we are going to start a poem from your textbook Honeysuckle, and the title of the poem is The Quarrel. So, dear children, this poem is about the quarrel between the siblings. Before we start the poem, let's know about the poet. So, this poem, that is The Quarrel, is written by Eleanor Farzion. Eleanor Farzion was an English writer for children. She was born in London in the year 1881. She died in 1965. Her stories, plays, and poetry are magical. And she wrote for children like you. This is one of the most interesting, one of the most beautiful poem. The Quarrel. Let's read the poem. So, dear children, keep your books open and please pay a lot of attention. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. So, dear children, let's know the summary of this poem. What is a quarrel? First of all, so you need to understand this word. A quarrel is a disagreement over a small issue or something very small. It is common for brother and sisters to quarrel. Many a times they don't know the reason. One day the poet quarreled with her brother. The reason was very petty. The quarrel was mild at first, but it became strong in the end. Both stuck finally to their claim of being right. They began to hate each other, but that very afternoon, the brother took the initiative and admitted his mistake. So let's start the explanation part. The quarrel. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. So, dear students, first of all, we need to understand the meanings of some difficult words which have been used in this stanza. The first one is quarreled. This is the second form of quarrel. The meaning of this word is fought. This is also the second form of fight. Fell out, disagreed. And slight, you can say that small or petty or not serious. In this stanza, the poet is sharing one incident of her childhood. The poet had a fight with her brother. Both of them were fighting and they were not even aware why they were fighting. One thing was giving way to another. Initially, or in the beginning, the fight was modest and was not very serious. It was a small, petty issue. But gradually and slowly, it grew intense and became a serious issue. The poet was claiming to be right, whereas her brother was thinking himself on the right side. This is a common thing. Dear children, whenever you might have also a fight with your brother or sister, then everybody thinks that he or she is right. But it is not just like that. Because We people think that we are right at our place, but on the point of view, on the other's point of view, sometimes we are wrong. In the same way, they both were thinking, that is, the poet and her brother, and the fight grew intense. The quarrel continued till the afternoon. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. So, dear students, in this stanza, first of all, you need to understand the meanings of some difficult words. So, the first word is turned black, means became very unpleasant and sad. Thumped, patted, or hit. Come along, to accompany. In this stanza, the poet says, "We hated one another." In the noun, fight became serious and both starting hating each other. We is used for the poet and her brother. The afternoon turned black. Now the afternoon became very unpleasant and sad because they both stopped talking to each other and they were missing the fun because there was no fun. They were missing the naughtiness. They were missing the naughty things. Everything was missing. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. All of a sudden, the poet's brother hit her on her back and asked her to get along, as it was not the right thing to pull the matter throughout the night. He also declared humbly that I was in the wrong. He admitted his mistake, and he said he was wrong. So he was in the right. This moved the poet's heart, and she realized she was wrong. So, dear children, a quarrel should not be continued for a long time because it harms one's relationship. It may end a good relation. It is preferable to end a quarrel as soon as possible. In this poem also, the poet's brother took an initiative and patched up. So, dear children, now it's time to know the rhyming words. As I earlier told you in my previous video when we did that poem A House, a Home, rhyming words are used to give a musical touch to a poem, and they are mostly placed at the end of the sentence. So look at these rhyming words. These have been highlighted already. So brother rhymes with another, about and out, slight, right, strong, wrong. In second stanza, another rhymes with brother, black, back, along, wrong, night and right. So these are the pairs of rhyming words which have been used in this poem. So I hope you all might have enjoyed this poem. You all might have liked this poem. So dear children, this is a common thing. When there is a fight between you and your brother, you should patch up. Thank you so much and take care. Stay safe. Stay at home. Thank you once again.